Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Actually, everybody was done their lunch. All of us are very full. Busog namin lahat. Ate Rim, busog ka?
Busog kayo.
Thank you so much, Ate Rim. Happy New Year. Pastor, what can you say about, what is your message to Pastor John?
Pila lang mi ka Domingo nagkaila pero maayo ang iyang pag serbisyo diri sa Emmanuel Baptist Church. Hinungdan nga sayang ibiya siya pero sa gihapon sa Ginoo na man siya gihapon nagaserbisyo.
Thank you, Pastor.
Dalaygon gyud ang Ginoo nga dili siya mawala kay naman siya sa ministry gihapon.
Thank you, Pas. Very well said. That's a good message. Actually, di siya mawala. He is still with us anytime in this church. Hi, Ate Jo. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What is your message to Pastor John?
Hello, Pastor.
Quick message. Quick message. Quick.
Ating pati manawala ko sa Pastor. Continue the good work. God bless you more and your family.
Very well said. Hey, Ate Joy, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Ate Sins, thank you sa cake. I like tiramisu.
You're welcome, guys.
Yes.
Happy New Year.
Thank you sa cake. I love the cake.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Order niya sa Junel. Social ha, Junels. Junels, cakes and pastries, yes. Sikat yan siya, celebrity yan. Junels, cakes and pastries. Pastor ba? Pastor, asa imong pick? Anong kamera? Nag-picture taken pa sila. Kapi family.
May creamer na ha.
Kapi family. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Joshua. Awalik. That's Carmen family. Picture taken. Carmen family.
Asa ka, ano kamera nyo?
Si Jay, pwede ko pa, Jay, pa-picture. Next, Lopez family.
Asa Samuel?
Lopez family muna. After that, after Carmen family, Lopez family. Ayan na siya.
Kami na sa Pangulit na mo? Pangulit na mo?
Kunya.
Sa rasa?
Sunod ko si Eds. Si Joanna.
Joanna! Joanna po. Joanna! Sabihan mo siya na. One,
Next. Ako sunod.
isa pa. 1, 2, 3.